I got some fire lighters here at the bottom. I'm gonna light those. Hey, fucking booze.
What's happening? We're back. Today, we're gonna make a chicken flattie on the braai. Depends where you're watching this from in the world, but a braai is what we call in South Africa a barbecue or a grill. First things first though.
Tough times, never got strong. These two shall pass, never got strong. These two shall pass.
We interrupt this program to bring you a special report.
You need to cut your grass.
I mean, that'll do.
Right, now your grass is cut. The next thing that you need to do is text your friends, tell them to come over because we're having a braai. I've forgotten something. So we need to make our lovely marinade / paste that we are going to baste and cook the chicken in. And here's what you're going to need for that. Garlic in, fresh coriander, stems and all. 2 teaspoons of harissa, 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika, zest your lemon up, chop them in half, squeeze it between your fingers and catch the seeds. Get rid of those. I'll clean that up later. About 2 tablespoons of olive oil, just a pinch of black pepper, and just 2 pinches of salt. Let's go 3 pinches of salt. Let's blitz the shit out of this. Give it a taste. That's good. Oh, fucking hell, that's good. Yo, a whole chicken. I'm gonna show you how to spatchcock him. This is the front of the bird, the chest. This is the back of the bird, where the spine is. Get yourself a decent pair of kitchen scissors. And essentially what you're gonna be doing is taking the spine out of the chicken. Cut either side of the spine and pull that out and remove that. We're gonna cut through the rib cage as well. Done. That's the chicken's spine. Don't throw this away. This is going to make an incredible stock. Now flip your bird back over. You're going to use your hand and you're going to push down and essentially break his rib cage, which will flatten him out. I don't know why I'm saying him because it's a girl. Here we go. Listen. There we go. That's a spatchcock chicken, aka chicken flattie. Get yourself a nice baking tray that's lined with a wire rack. Put your chicken on there. We're gonna get our marinade. I'm just going straight in with my fingers. Baste the chicken. Now get it absolutely everywhere, between the joints, under the skin. Give them a nice little massagey. Yeah. Tell me what's happening. Tell me all your problems. What's happened? Make sure you get both sides. Wash your hands. Why do we need to wash our hands after dealing with raw chicken? Because raw chicken is pure evil. He's now gonna go in the fridge and rest for a few hours. Right, it's been about 2 hours. We've just taken the chicken out of the fridge. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Now you're probably asking me, but why are you gonna put the chicken in the oven? Relax, bro. We're gonna par-cook the chicken in the oven and then finish it off on the grill. Trust me. It's the best way to cook it, because with the grill, you just get uneven temperatures. It's really difficult to control. You might actually fuck it up. Doing it in the oven controls the temperature, it's consistent heat. Get it up to a temperature where you know all you need to do is finish off the chicken on the braai. Lock it.
What you doing?
Doing a terrible job with it.
And can we talk about that picnic blanket that you're wearing?
Ashen, darling.
We're gonna light the fire in a bit. Because it's a braai, you need to serve it with a salad. How do you make a salad? Salad. It's 2 recipes for the price of 1. That deserves a share. So this chicken is par-cooked for about half an hour. We're gonna light the fire now, and then we're gonna smash the soak on the flames. Yeah, boy!
Fill up one of these things with some of this stuff. I got some fire lighters here at the bottom. I'm gonna light those. Hey, fucking. In about 15 minutes, these coals will be ready.
A few minutes later.
Oh shit, it's on fire. Can you smell that? It's like polystyrene. It's time to put the chicken. We've got to check if the tongs work first. So let's just do a few test clicks. Yeah, those are working.
Pour some of those juices on.
Okay, so it's a direct flame, so the coal is directly underneath the chicken, lid goes on. So it's been about 20 minutes in total that the chicken's been in here. It's at about 150 degrees. Let's just check. That's actually about 180, which is pretty perfect. Chicken's almost about ready. Let's have a look. Okay, Brai's ready. All the friends are over. I wasn't lying when I said we had friends. They're actually here. Okay, everyone say hello.
Hi.
Hello. Okay, let's go eat now.